Welcome back to Akhtar's Adventures. This is Amir, your English and personality grooming mentor. In today's video, we again have a great debate between Miss Laiba and Mr. Ansari. And in this debate, we are going to have a topic, and the topic name is
Education versus money.
Education versus money. And Mr. Ansari is going to support money. Okay. So Dr. Kalam says that if you want to shine like a sun, you have to burn like a sun. So please watch this video, and if you want to actually improve your English communication, English speaking, so that do debate. If you want to improve your English, please watch this video properly and completely and try to do the same at home. Because with the help of debate and this kind of practice session can help you out to improve your English communication like anything. So without wasting too much time, let's dive in.
I'll go for education because education is the only way from the path of darkness to light. Money has an end, but education always increases and increases with time.
Very good.
So I have a question for Mr. Sahil.
Yeah.
So I have a question for Mr. Sahil. How will you get money if you're not educated?
Oh, means the question is there. The question arises from Laiba that how will you get education if you don't have enough money? Yeah, what's your concern, Mr. Ansari? And you can also add your points.
Thank you, sir. Before going to answer her questions, I would like to put some views. Okay. My first point is that Laiba told us that knowledge is the thing that darkness to light, right? So what is light mean? Light meaning in this world is money. We all are running for the money. Even we are grabbing knowledge for money, right? Even every YouTubers who are so knowledgeable, they are spreading knowledge because why they are earning money with the help of their knowledge. So at the end, they also want money.
Okay. Next point.
And next one is that legend says with the knowledge. Yeah, I do agree, sir. Knowledge with time increases, but it's not wrong, sir, that money also go with time creates money.
Okay, money begets money, you want to say?
Yeah, with the money, we include money with time, we can create money.
Yeah, just you have to be smart.
Yeah.
Okay, then what is your answer of her question?
The answer of her question, how can we get money without education, right? So first, I am having rich family. Suppose I'm having rich family, so why do I need to be a knowledgeable person? Even we can buy higher knowledgeable person.
Like we can hire an educated person, right, if you have money. This is your concern.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Even we can buy a school.
Even a school.
Yeah, if we are having money, we can buy everything. But I do agree that money is not everything, but money is something which is running in the world like anything.
Yeah, means people are running behind the money, right?
Yeah.
People are running behind money, people are running after the money. Because of that only they are doing everything, and because of that also means knowledge. People are gaining knowledge. This is your concern.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your answer, Laiba?
Well spoken, my fellow opponent. But this is not the answer to my question. In today's life, there are many government schools where the books and everything are provided in free. So the person who wants to study can study anywhere. But have you ever heard about our beloved Prophet Muhammad? He always emphasized on education. Perhaps he can earn money and can be the richest, but he always spreads education to be the best.
Wow, yes, absolutely. Yes, Ansari. But money is also somewhere else is important. Nowadays, people, I believe that cannot do almost everything in this world, on this planet, if you don't have money. So Laiba, what is your reply?
Many famous personalities like Gandhi ji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar were not from such a rich family, but they have done such a great job that words remember them till now.
Yeah, they were not completely dependent on the money only, whether they were belonging to the rich family or not, but they were quite interested and they were knowing about the value of education, right? Yeah.
And education just not only means the studies that we do in school. Education means the preparation for that thing.
Yeah.
If we want to go in politics, we need to know something about politics.
Exactly. Means education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself.
Yes.
Yeah. You want to say this?
Yeah.
Okay. Ansari, your turn.
Again, thank you, sir. First of all, I'd like to say thanks to Miss Laiba that she has given wonderful points. Right?
Yeah.
My contradiction is that let's understand money. What is the money?
Yeah.
You know, the
Look
money.
at your part.
Let's suppose that World War III is going on. Okay, and every soldiers are dying with starvation.
Starvation.
Yeah, starvation. Sorry, sir. Starvation. And where will the first priority? The first priority will be the money. How can you fulfill their empty stomach?
Yeah, empty stomachs, and how can we fulfill their basic needs?
Yes.
And the war is going on. The money is very, very important in order to complete their basic needs.
Yeah. And how, if we are having knowledge, every soldiers are having knowledge, but with the knowledge they can't win World War III. So first they are having money, like governments.
They must have money.
Yeah, governments lots of money so that they can fulfill empty stomach of their soldiers to win.
On the other side, they need equipments. They need means bombs. They need rockets. They need different kind of the things. So because of money only, it can be purchased.
Well spoken. But you have said one of the points that for food we need money. But if somewhere, but at that time there will be rush everywhere. So where will we go and buy the foods? Mainly at the times of war, all of us would mainly depend on the natural food like fruits or fish that we can only get if we have knowledge.
Oh, great reply, Laiba. What's your concern, Mr. Ansari?
Are we living in traditional world?
Yeah.
Yeah. In this world, there are a silo. We store too many foods.
Yeah.
Governments are storing too many foods so that
Too much foods.
Yeah, too much foods. Even we can't imagine.
Yeah.
So in emergency time, they supply foods to needy. Right.
Yeah. In case of emergency,
Yeah.
they can easily supply to the needy. Wow, nice point, man.
If government has money, they can easily win their war, and that's it, sir. For this point.
Simple. Okay. And any more points you want to add on?
Yeah, that's another point. That suppose there is a poor boy, and he is not having even a single book. So government are spreading their funds to poor boys to buy books. Upcoming generations of books will be not there, right? So they are being digitals. How they are
going digital.
Yeah, they are how they are going digitals. And with digitals, suppose there is a poor boy and he's not having any single book, and there is so many rich families. They are founding to donate their money, and with the money they are the poor boys are having knowledge.
Yeah, means those who are having much money or sufficient money, they can provide means education to the others, to the needy.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, and you know, sir, once the poor boy will be rich, the poor boy will come again. They will do the same, and it is just a loop. Yeah, knowledge. They grab money first, then they have knowledge. Then knowledge again comes money. The money is superior than knowledge.
Yeah, according to you, money is superior than knowledge. Because with the help of money, we can give education to the others.
Yeah.
We can go for higher education.
Yeah.
We can go abroad country for the higher education as well. So, Laiba, somewhere or the other, I think that you are getting stuck on this. Are you?
First of all, sir, he is contradicting his own points.
Why?
He is saying that from education, then he has given the example of a poor boy, that he can get education and then he'll make money. and the debate is going on the same topic. That first he'll get education, then money. Then
Okay, means somewhere or the other Ansari is telling that education first and money next.
No,
And this Laiba wants.
money first, because you know, sir, governments are allowing that up to 14 age boys they can do work.
Yeah, they can. The school goer, the students can get education along with their meals free of cost.
Yeah.
Up to 14 years boy.
Yes.
Or you can say that up to class 8 you can get education free of cost from the government, whether you are living in Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Bihar or any other states of India. Yeah.
Okay, suppose you have woke up in a hospital and you are having some so you are having kidney stones, so you want a new kidneys. So how will you get? With knowledge or with money?
Exactly, nice point. If you are suffering from severe disease, then money works, your knowledge not.
If you are in a hospital suffering for any disease and you want any new parts of your body, so how will you get? With knowledge or with money?
Oh, the question is that money works if you are living in severe disease.
No, it's not necessary that we always need money. Some government hospitals like AIMS, MAMC, they allow free heart transplant or kidney transplant.
Means they are giving every facilities to the patients.
Yes, they are.
And what's your concern?
Education helps us to use our brain, while money makes us materialism and always spreads jealousy, proudness.
Means because of money that relation or relationship can be destroyed. She is telling that.
Okay, sir. You know, sir, first she told that AIMS, MMC, what about hospitals?
Hospitals are ready to do each and everything
Yeah.
for the patient.
Okay.
Means even if they are not taking a single coin from us, because they are completely government hospitals.
Okay, so first of all, hospitals are providing free parts of human bodies, so why poor are dying?
Wow, great question, Laiba. Answer him. Make eye contact to him.
First of all, the only poor are dying who don't have their ration cards or their certificate that they are poor, anything like that. If a rich person will also make a certificate, or like nowadays many people are going for a ration card whether he has money or not has money, they will also get a free
treatment.
They will also get a free treatment there. The poor persons are not able to make their cards or certificate. That's why they are dying.
Yeah,
Okay.
the answer is that so many poor people are not educated, and due to that only they are unable to get ration card or Aadhaar card or different kinds of documents, and due to that only they are dying. They are not dying of money. They are dying because of their lack of education. This is her concern.
Okay, sir. My question to you, Miss Laiba, that how can you include a ration card with education? Would you like to? Yeah.
Yeah, so his
How can
question
you
is
connect?
that how can you
How can you
connect
connect?
ration card or education? Would you please demystify?
First of all, some of the poor peoples, they don't even know that what is ration cards, and they don't even know that there are some type of documents that from that documents they can get the free treatment.
Exactly, because of lack of knowledge and awareness.
They need to know about that. If they get to know, obviously they will go for that and get the free education.
Exactly, means that somewhere out there you are getting stuck on your point. Means poor people, they need education, they need awareness, and due to that only they can get all the documents and ration card and different kind of the things, and they can easily get treated by the government hospitals. But the thing is that we need to understand, I also want to put a question on behalf of Ansari here, that if you born poor, this is not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. What's your concern, please?
Can you please tell me, how can a poor person get a very large amount of money at an instant?
Exactly, nice question.
Obviously he first need to be educated. first of all, though, he needs to know that how to get money.
Exactly. The poor person cannot get lots of money at instant. First of all, he or she needs to know that how to get education, so that they need education first.
Yes.
So that they can earn too much money. Yeah, it is impossible to earn instantly lot of money if you are a poor person.
Okay, but I wanna answer this question later. Before answering this question, I wanna put you one more question. You that how can we be a so knowledgeable person in the world? Without money, can we be knowledgeable person in the world?
Yeah, without money, can we become a knowledgeable person? Do you have answer for this?
Yes, we can. Earlier also I have given the example of some of the famous personalities. As I have said you earlier, like some famous personalities like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Swami Vivekanand, they don't have enough money, but the world knows them on behalf of their knowledge.
I believe that this is the great example, as we can say that Swami Vivekanand used to say that keep doing hard work for your specific world, for your specific field, until and unless you grab that. So it was completely sign of your craziness of achieving something.
Okay, if Swami Vivekanand is a great guy, I do agree that he's a great guy. But what about Jobs Bezos? He's also a great guy.
Jeff Bezos, the great, that means the great. He is also a good guy, knowledgeable, but the world's top 10 richest person.
But it is not compulsory that his father should be rich. Obviously, he has done so much of hard work and gained such a good knowledge that he is standing in that position. Without knowledge, without education, no matter how his father is poor or rich, without education he can't achieve that
much level of success. Okay, Ansari, what's your answer for this?
I have already told you, Miss Laba, that every persons are running for the money. Even they are having knowledge or not, they have to earn money. Even if any condition, if they are having any problem, they want money to defeat their problem,
to fight with their problems.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, Laba, what's your answer? And this would be the last answer.
Nowadays people are running after money. Earlier times they just need sufficient amount of money to live their life. Nowadays people are trying to get extra money that they don't need at all. And there's a very famous quotation of Hazrat Ali that education is better than money, because you save your money and education saves you.
So guys, as you have seen that debate is very important, and in debate you can speak more and more, and in the heat of passion you speak like anything, you keep speaking, and because of that only you can easily make yourself comfortable in English language. So guys, I hope you like this debate, you like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For watching this video, thank you.